Good morning, everybody. You guys ready? Let's fucking go. I have to be a little bit quiet. Oh, snap diddly. Oh, snap diddly. He didn't even say anything. He didn't even say anything yet. Oh, snapples. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Get nasty with it. Get nasty with it. Get nasty with it. Oh, snap diddly. He hasn't even said anything. Let's get it. You guys remember the last one in June? Come on now. Come on now. Hey, I'm telling you, it helps to look at the previous ones. Am I right? Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle. Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Come on, get nasty with it. Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle. Let's go. Let's flow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle. Hey, you think the script is leaked? Come on, man. Hey, this is almost identical to the last one. The last one in June, remember? This is almost identical to the one in June. Right? This is what I'm saying. That shit is leaked for sure. He hasn't even started talking. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Jerome Powell is going to start talking already. All right, stay safe, everybody. All righty. All right, coverage will begin shortly, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, let me get that thangity thang. Let me get that thangity thang. You got, how long is this? An hour and a half? Oh my goodness, it's gonna be a shit show, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Snap dizzle for shizzle. $800 Bitcoin at 21885. Let's go. Snap dizzle for shizzle. Snap dizzle for shizzle, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 1,000 Bitcoin coming up. Big wall. Big wall. Big wall. Binance pushing it down. Is he talking about shitcoins? Wait, what? S&P still going, snap dizzle. S&P might try to fill. S&P might try to fill. Oh, snap dizzle. So I wonder, you know, like 21.1, right? The box that I have. That would be really great confluence for 39.30. So yeah, so I mean, it would be like the most easiest thing would be this goes back to GEX flip. It does some sort of bearish div, right? I might try to take that short. But yeah, the numbers are the numbers. So we'll keep an eye on it. I mean, you've been watching me, you know what I'm saying, stare at this shit all day. So it's kind of bearish order option flow. It's kind of funny. You know what I'm saying? So the numbers are the numbers, the data is the data. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. But 39.30 is the biggest gamma wall now, and 40.42 is the GEX flip. So as you guys already know, if S&P is under GEX flip, I'm pretty bearish. If S&P is above GEX flip, I'm bullish. I'm just keeping it that dead ass simple, right? So if it's going to be bullish, there's a 5-minute bull div here that we've been watching. If it really is bullish, it wouldn't be much to ask for the local swing high, swing low golden pocket to get turned into support, right? So that would be checkpoint number one. I'm not going to get, like, you don't want to get bullish on that, right? That's retail. You want to get bullish on some sort of confirmation. So let's see what happens. I don't really know. All right. But if this bull div is actually strong, I mean, it's not much to ask for at least a couple candle closes above that, right? And that's not even Big Daddy. That's not even Big Daddy Golden Pocket. So it's still got a lot of work to do, and it ultimately has to get above GEX. So far, so good. I'm not, nothing has really changed. We're below the GEX, swing high, swing low. I mean, wasn't this Golden Pocket as well? Shailene, what's good, Kimba? Any gamma GEX changes? No, well, were you here 15 minutes ago when we looked at the most recent thing? Is everybody gather around for the plan? You guys ready? Oh, Shay, okay, let me get you caught up, brother. You guys ready for the gammas and the GEXs? Are you guys ready for the levels? Are you guys ready? All right, so the biggest gamma wall is at 39.30, and it's still building. But this is for tomorrow. This is for tomorrow. All right? So this is what I'm thinking. Let me pause the music real quick. 39.30 is the biggest gamma, and right now the GEX is around 40.42, and I'm thinking this is actually going to go down a little bit. Whether it's like 5 points or whatever, so be it. But I'll keep you updated. I'll check this like every 2 hours. So, you know, the whole week we've been talking about if it's below the GEX, then I'm bearish. If it's above, then I'm bullish, right? So one possible scenario I'm looking at is for some unknown reason, we go up and we go turn the GEX and we confirm it as resistance. And so I might be trying to short an area like that. Now, based off of like what I'm seeing with Bitcoin, like Bitcoin went crazy, right? S&P just went like that. Bitcoin just went crazy. It basically retraced the whole dump move. So there is a possibility that when S&P does this, okay, some sort of short squeeze happens and it actually takes us up here. So the only places where I want to short is here, here, and here. And then the only places where I would really want to long would be right here, and here, and here. And ideally this. And so what I'm thinking is it would be great to get correlation right there with 39.30. So 39.30 is big gamma. All right. And I would love to have, you know, I would basically, it's, and don't put blind limit entries just because it's a level. I think you should wait for an edge. Because there's a chance that it could do something like this. Remember when I took that short too early and it went bink on me? Best to wait for an edge. Flow ride, is that short up there going to be a big one or just 40 or so? I'm only doing 40 the whole month just to kind of see if I'm getting into more positions or not. Because if I start thinking about doing 250 again, I think I'm going to pencil neck and be greedy and shit, you know? And there's a POC right above it. My dumbass might wait for the POC. Uh-oh, flow ride. Yeah, so just moving forward, I think at least for the first 2 or 3 weeks, I'm going to do 40 all, no matter what, and as a science experiment, and I want to see if I'm actually executing more trades. Yeah. So so the biggest gamma right now is to the downside. It's at 30.90.30. All right, and then the GEX flip right now is around 40.40. So if it goes to 40.40, and all of the levels that I'm identifying, I am not going to put blind limit entries in there. If a swing fails or some shit and I don't get the short or the long, I don't care. I rather miss out on a trade than get wrecked on a losing position. So every level that I'm pointing out, whether it's the 40.40 zone or the 39.30, those are levels that would interest me in taking a trade. The edge, div, CVD, RSI, bullish order flow, whatever would, push me forward to actually take it. Does that make sense? And so I don't know where 4042 would correlate with Bitcoin because, the only place that I would short would be around here. So there could be some sort of crazy like little Barty situation if it does go back up to 4042. But I'm hoping that it just goes to 39.30 and we can get our thingity thing somewhere around here. I don't know wherever it decides to give us an edge, ladies and gentlemen. I guess this would be the first area like we've been talking about for weeks. Sorty says, how the fuck we didn't dump today hard? I mean, in a way we did, Sorty, but that's why I'm waiting until tomorrow. I think tomorrow is also the continuation. And it's weird because nobody came in and placed bets until later today. And I think a lot of people wanted to hear what Jerome Powell was saying first. As soon as he started opening his mouth, so let's see what happens tomorrow, Sorty. Yeah, I think it's just that nobody was really placing anything until he said something. So now we're going to see if those people are going to win tomorrow. Yeah, Metaverse has 50 basis points, rate rise probability increasing. Yeah, as soon as the 50 basis points crossed 50%, that's when all the options started flowing in, Metaverse. Isn't that some goofy ass shit? As soon as the 50 basis points probably broke 50 or 51%, all the bots and algos, bing, 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 bing. Yeah, as soon as he started talking, markets dumped. Yeah, so I'm super excited for tomorrow, new type. Metaverse, the S&P rise above 4,000 could have been all short sizing. Probably, you know what's interesting? I'm actually kind of bullish on S&P, brother. Yeah, so I'm excited to see, does it go down to the lowest gamma? And if it does, what's the reaction? Because I'm going to probably try to long on there. Yeah, so let's see what happens. I mean, this could change, people could cancel. The gamma could all of a sudden be completely different in a couple hours. So I'll keep an eye on that for the next couple hours and, see. I'll regroup with you guys tomorrow morning. 393 could be big support if not broken. Yeah, and how we'll tell is with this. If there's a bunch of people supporting it and the gamma's still there, then it should be pretty big. So we'll be able to tell. I'll keep an eye on that, and we'll talk about it again when we first boot up the stream tomorrow. So I'm going to do like a poor man streamathon on CPI and PPI next week, but I want to do like a real streamathon with like a sleep cam and everything for the 1 year anniversary. The GEX flip as of right now is at 4027.5. We got a small gamma at 3980 and it pixel fucked and bounced right above it. 3955 is the second biggest gamma wall, and the biggest gamma wall is obviously at the 3930. And if you want to take a screenshot, there you go, not making it up. So 3930, 3955, 3980. You can tell how significantly small that 3980 is, right? Compared to this motherfucker. But this is for tomorrow expirations. So if it's gonna dump tomorrow, maybe a scam pumps tonight, right? Type of shit. And so I would be really interested to maybe try to short that if it can go all the way up there. In the meantime, I'll probably pull different range fibs. So like this, right? Like that. If that range gets broken, like this. If that range gets broken, like this. And if that range gets broken, like this. And I would just continuously test every level. So you got the GEX and you've got the fibs, and then for Bitcoin, I think that's really all you have, really, is fibs, maybe VWAP, maybe divs. Good night to you guys. Sleep well, rest well, everybody. All right, we got Jerome Powell tomorrow, 30 minutes after market open. All right, you guys stay safe. I will see you guys over on Discord. All right, let me trigger the volatility for real. Here we go. Ooh, here we go. All right, love you guys, man. I will see you guys in the morning tomorrow. I'll see you guys over on Discord right now. Have a great night, everybody.